This is Lenny the Lawyer Live with the truth about E-ZPass and a company you never heard of but is affecting your life in an awful fashion if you're like many people. Now, what I'm going to provide you with now is called legal information. It is not legal advice, and it is not meant to be relied on. Legal advice can only be given in an in-person consultation, not over a video. With that housekeeping out of the way, let's get started. You've all heard of E-ZPass. That's that regressive toll collection service that creates thousands of dollars in fines and penalties and can ruin your life by eventually, if you don't pay enough, E-ZPass is going to come and they're going to suspend your registration. And if you're driving with a suspended registration, your car can be impounded, and that's going to ruin your life pretty quickly. But guess who's behind E-ZPass? A company called Conduit Incorporated. Conduit Incorporated operates in 19 states, including New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and many others. And Conduit Incorporated is nothing more than an out-of-control collection agency with relationships in 19 states, of which New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, and Pennsylvania are some of them, that accounts for $14.5 billion in toll revenues in 19 states. That's right, $14.5 billion in toll revenues. And I don't know if that includes fines and penalties. Well, here's what I do know. It's something that's dischargeable in bankruptcy 100% of the time, unless you knowingly try to avoid a toll reader, which most of you, I'm sure, are law-abiding citizens, and you don't. So in New York and New Jersey, the company that's causing you all this grief that you never heard of is called Conduit Incorporated. They have relationships, as I mentioned, with 19 states. They collect $14.5 billion in toll revenues. They're not going away anytime soon. They have over 32 million accounts. But here's what I want you to know. I can help you fight back against Conduit Incorporated and E-ZPass. I have a 100% track record in discharging tolls and E-ZPass fines and penalties in bankruptcy. That's right, bankruptcy will give you a fresh start and eliminate your E-ZPass headaches. Because once I file for bankruptcy for you and we have that case number, we can write to the Department of Motor Vehicles, any tolling authorities, and get your registration reinstated. If your car's impounded, you can get it out of the impound lot. You do have to pay impound fees, and you do have to pay reinstatement of registration fees. And if your license is suspended, you'd have to pay that as well. But you're going to get your vehicle back, and you're going to be able to have a life again. So if you're tired of E-ZPass and the threat of it hanging over your life, you need to call me, Leonard Boyer of Boyer Coffy, LLC, at 973-798-6131. And you follow my instructions, I'll get you out of E-ZPass hell. That's right, Leonard Boyer of Boyer Coffy, LLC, attorneys at law. We can help you in the states of New York and New Jersey. Contact us right away and let us get you out of E-ZPass hell. And I'm going to do something for you that no other law firm does. Not only am I going to eliminate your E-ZPass problems and all your other dischargeable debt in bankruptcy, I'm going to give you a fresh start, and I'm going to guide you at no additional charge on how to rebuild your credit, which is something a lot of attorneys don't know how to do or don't do it correctly. There are certain things that credit agencies look for. You can rebuild your credit probably in 12 to 18 months if you follow my directions and if you follow exact way of doing things that I'll advise you to. Once again, if you want to get out of easy pass hell, call Leonard Boyer, Boyer Coffy Law, LLC at 973-798-6131. We serve all 21 counties of New Jersey and central and southern New York State. Let's get you out of easy pass hell. And remember, this has been legal education, not legal advice. For legal advice and a consultation, absolutely free, call me at 973-798-6131. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're watching on YouTube, click on the subscribe button and check the bell and click the top of the bell icon. If you're watching somewhere else, leave us a review and also contact us right away. The sooner you contact us, the sooner we can get you out of easy pass hell. Once again, get out of easy pass hell. Don't let Conduit Incorporated ruin your life. This is nothing more, in my opinion, than an aggressive tax. And it's hurting the middle class and the working poor and truck drivers and anyone who uses a vehicle to make a living disproportionately. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time and have a great rest of the weekend.